Hello friends, a very warm welcome to my channel. Today I am going to begin a video series on elementary school algebra. This is especially for class 6 and 7, and today's topic is simple equations. Simple equations. So in simple equations, first we are going to study the difference between identities and equations. Then we shall do with the help of few examples. Then we will learn the basic axioms required for solving these equations. And number 3, we shall see different forms of simple equations. Then we will take some examples, and lastly we shall formulate equations from problems. We shall see how to formulate when a problem is given, formulate an equation and then solve the equation. So let us begin with identities. So what are identities? So identities are expressions. Identities are expressions you can write algebraic expressions which for which there is a solution for every value of the unknown quantity. For example, x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3 equal to 3x plus 4. So here this part is called the LHS or left hand side, and this part is called the RHS or right hand side, and these two are separated by an equal sign. So let x equal to 1. Here x is the unknown quantity, and there are coefficients of x like 2 here. Here actually the coefficient of x is 1. So 1 into x is practically x, so it is not written, and here the coefficient of x is 3, and other terms are constants which are numeric digits. So suppose let us substitute first the value of x. We shall see by trial and error which values of x can satisfy this expression. That means left hand side becomes equal to right hand side. So when we substitute the value of x equal to 1 in the left hand side portion, so LHS becomes 1 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 equal to 1 plus 1 2 plus here 2 into 1 2 plus 3 5 equal to 7. Now RHS equal to 3 into 1 plus 4. 1 is the value of x, so 3 into 1 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Therefore LHS equal to RHS here. Okay, LHS equal to RHS. Now again let x equal to 2. So our expression on the left hand side of the expression is x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3 equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 equal to 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 3 7 equal to 10. Now the right hand side equal to right hand side is 3x plus 4 equal to 3 into 2 plus 4 equal to 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 4 10. Now again LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Now let us substitute another value of x and check whether it is valid. Let x equal to 11. Therefore left hand side equal to x plus 1 plus 2x plus 3 equal to 11 plus 1 plus 2 into 11 plus 3 equal to 11 plus 1 12 plus 2 into 11 plus 3 2 into 11 22 plus 3 25. So here 2 plus 5 7 and 2 plus 1 3 37. Again RHS or right hand side becomes 3x plus 4 equal to 3 into how much 11 plus 4 3 into 11 33 plus 4 equal to 37. So again here we can see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So you can test this expression with any value of x you like and any number of values of x you like, and you will ultimately find that LHS is always equal to RHS. So this type of expression is called identities. This type of expression are called identities. TITIES. Okay. Now we will see what is the basic difference between identities and equations. Sorry. Equations. So let us take an example for an equation. X plus 1 plus x plus 3 equal to 3x plus 2. Now let us substitute the value of x equal to 1 and check whether the equation is valid. Now this, let us treat this at first let us treat this expression as expression. Now after we will learn, after substituting the different values of x, we shall learn now what is the difference between this expression with the identities we have already learned, and why it is called an equation, and what is the difference, why is it called an equation not an identity. So let us call this expression until we solve it. So let us substitute the value of x equal to 1, and for LHS left hand side we get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 equal to 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 plus 3 4 equal to 6. Now similarly RHS or right hand side equal to 3 into 1 plus 2 equal to 3 into 1 3 plus 2 5. So here we can find that LHS not equal to RHS. So you just write an equal to sign and give a slash in between, so it is called not equal to. So let us substitute another value of x equal to 2 in the expression. Let x equal to 2. So the left hand side becomes x plus 1 plus x plus 3 equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 plus 3 5 5 plus 3 8, and the right hand side becomes, right hand side was 3x plus 2. So it becomes 3 into 2 plus 2. We have taken x equal to 2. So 3 into 2 plus 2 equal to 3 2 is 6 plus 2 equal to 8. So here we find that LHS equal to RHS. Okay. So for x equal to 2 this expression is valid, or x equal to 2 is called a solution for this expression. So let us take another value of x. Let x equal to 3. Therefore LHS becomes x plus 1 plus x plus 3 equal to 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 1 4 plus 3 plus 3 6 equal to 10. Now RHS equal to RHS was 3x plus 2 equal to, when we substitute x equal to 3, RHS becomes 3 into 3 plus 2 equal to 3 3 is a 9 plus 2 equal to 11. So we find that LHS not equal to RHS. So after substituting three values of x, that is x equal to 1, x equal to 2 and x equal to 3, we have found that in only one case, for x equal to 2, LHS is equal to RHS. In the other two cases, LHS is not equal to RHS. So this type of expressions which are satisfied for only a particular value of x or one or more values of x, maybe here it is, we have seen that it is it has got a solution for x equal to 2 only, so it is solvable for a particular value of x, it is called an equation. Unlike identities which are valid for every value of x, but here equations are valid for only a particular value of x, so it is called an equation. So these are the basic difference between an identities and equations. Identities are satisfied for all values of x, whereas equations are satisfied for only particular values of x. So I think you get it. Now in an expression usually the last letters of the alphabet that is X, Y, Z are used to represent the unknown quantities. Okay, usually X, Y and Z are used to represent the unknown quantities. So in the previous equations we have used X, it may be Y or it may be Z usually. So any particular value of the unknown quantity, or let us say not quantities, quantity, because here we are dealing with only one quantity, not more than one actually. So any particular value of the unknown quantity which for which the equation holds good is called a solution of the equation. Now holds good means LHS equal to RHS for a particular value of x or maybe y or z, whichever is used. So when the value of x, y or z, whichever is used, is found out by solving the equation, this value of x is called the root of the equation. Root of the equation means to find out the value of x, y or z, which makes the equation, the left hand side of the equation equal to the right hand side.